Someone's on the horn. Oh!
Hi, Jim. It's Lexxie from BigSpoon LittleSpoon. I have a very important question for you. Do you like wine?
Hey, Lexxie! I love wine. I'm drinking some right now.
I just had to let you know that it's National Wine Day today, and I know this is something that we should celebrate together.
That is something I want to celebrate. What should we do?
Well, let's each make something fun that utilizes wine.
Cool! I think I'm gonna make something I've never made before, but I saw a recipe for it. It's called chocolate red wine marshmallows. Doesn't that sound great? Let's make it now. Toodaloo. I'm gonna start by prepping my baking dish for the marshmallow. So I'm gonna spray it with a little spray. I'm gonna take a piece of parchment paper and push it on in there. Cover it with more spray. And another piece of parchment paper. End it with more spray. In a bowl, we need a half a cup of wine. I'm gonna sprinkle 2 packets of gelatin on top and then set it aside. In a large pan, we need 2 cups of sugar and a half a cup of corn syrup and a half cup of wine and a sprinkle of salt. I'm gonna combine it together. I'm gonna bring this to a boil, and I want it to reach 240 degrees. I'm not gonna stir it anymore. Once it reaches 240 degrees, I'm gonna pour that into this wine and gelatin mixture. And then I'm gonna use my hand mixer, and I'm gonna mix it for 10 minutes till it's thick and gooey. Here we go. It's thick. I need a well-oiled spatula, and now I'm gonna pour that right into my dish. Look at that. I'm gonna cover it loosely with foil, and then I'm gonna allow it to set for at least 4 hours, up to overnight. It's done setting, and now it's time to prep the cutting area. I'm gonna place some parchment paper right here. I'm creating a dusting of 1/3 cup powdered sugar and 1/3 cup of dark cocoa. I'm mixing it together, and then I'm gonna dust my surface. I'm gonna put this on the dusting. Cover it in dust. With a sharp, well-oiled knife, it's time to cut the marshmallow. Each marshmallow is then going to get dipped in that dusting and then put in a container. These can last for several weeks in an airtight container at room temperature. Chocolate and red wine marshmallows. How fun is this? I can't wait to try this, my very first homemade marshmallow. The chocolate dusting, awesome. And the wine, very strong and noticeable. I love this marshmallow, and you can make it too. Now, what do you think about this, Lexxie?
That looks really good. Now pop over to my channel where I'm making one of my childhood favorites, chicken and glop. See you in a minute.
Now go visit Lexxie on her channel, BigSpoon LittleSpoon. She's making something quite unique. That marshmallow, wow. The texture, magnifique. Thanks for joining me here on Jim's Kitchen. See you next time. I trained my dog to bring me my wine. He's a Bordeaux collie.